Hello, this is Justin Choi from Lectures. I'll be an instructor in PowerPoint today. As you can see, this is the PowerPoint application version, not the PowerPoint version on Microsoft Outlook's website. As you can see, this is the Home tab. This is the blank presentation or the blank template, the Welcome to PowerPoint template, Bring your presentations to life template, geometric color blocks, urban monochrome. Those are just templates that you can use, or just themes, or just styles of slides, styles for slides. Like say, for example, you did urban monochrome template. As you can see from the preview, this is what the urban monochrome template will look like for each slide. There'll be a heading and a subtitle. Of course, you can also just download custom templates from other places to upload onto the Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's just mess around with the urban monochrome for the time being. Now we'll just create it. As you can see, it has created 2 slides. The first slide is the title. The second slide is just a generic quote title. As you can see, this is a user interface. From the file side, you can see there's new, which is just generally making a new presentation, a general outline, and you can see there's more templates and themes. Open is when you're just opening recent projects that you have recently made or saved from certain locations, as in your OneDrive or your website, or from your computer itself. Info just lets you check on the presentation in general. Save is where you want to just save your presentation, or save as. It's basically the same thing like open. Or you can just place where you want to save your presentation in your PC, your OneDrive account, which is basically like Google Drive, well, it's Microsoft's version. The site, which is basically whatever site you want to host this on. Print is when you just want to print it on your printer. Share is when you want to email it or put on your OneDrive. Export is just converting into a video, an animated GIF, which is basically a soundless video to some extent. You just package for presentation for CD is when you want to burn it on a CD. If you want to create it as a handout, well, that's basically printing it. And if you want to change the file type, as you can see, there's many file types. There's the old PPT edition, PPTX, PPSX, which is PPTX, POT, PNG, JPEG. But if you're going to save it as PNG and JPEG, that'll be just images. As you can see on the Home tab, there's the Clipboard where you can just copy and paste things onto your slides. New slide, well, telling you can see, it'll just let you choose which template of slide that you want. Title slide, which is just the title. Title and content, which is just 2 text boxes, one for title, one for the content. Section, 2 content, which is 2 contents in pieces of content in one slide. Comparison, which allows you to do verses. Title only, blank, content with caption, picture with caption, title and vertical title and text, and so on and so forth. You can also reuse slides if you really need to. For layout, it's just slide layout for the current slide that you're actively touching right now. Now, if you go to a text box, you can see the font, bold, italic, underline, text shadow, strike through, font size, highlight, font color, bullet points, number list, indentations, but chances are you won't really use indentation for the levels anyway. Line spacing, shapes, as in if you want to make a shape and put it into your slide. The arrangement, the shape fill, which is putting color into your shape. Shape outline, which is the exterior of the shape. Shape effects. Design ideas is basically already themes, pre-made themes, like you want to go black and white, so here you go, black and white. Now if you want to undo it, just press Control Z, I believe, or was it Control Y? And Control Y was to redo. Insert is basically inserting pictures from either your computer or clip art, which is from outside sources on the internet. As you can see, you can also do text, video, audio, screen recording, all onto these slides. Design is, as you can see, like design ideas. So you don't need to really touch the design until later on if you really want to. But if you're going to do that, you should at least know your audience and have a clear goal in mind. There's morph, which is also another part of design. It's just transitioning. So that's only extras if you want to grab the attention of your viewer. For animation, that's also another design-based choice. There's fade in, fly in. As you can see, we could preview these animations. And as I said before, it's part of design, so don't worry about that right now. There's Slideshow, which is basically previewing your entire all your slides at once, like from beginning, which is from the very first one. So let's say F5, we'll start with F5, right? And then you'll see your title on full screen, and then your second slide. You just have to press escape to get out of the slide mode. Review is just basically like Microsoft Word's review, where it spell checks, it has a thesaurus, it can also translate. View is just how you want to look at your slides. Help is if you need help. If you contact support, telling you'll be contacting the Microsoft PowerPoint people. So for technical issues or otherwise. Feedback will be just telling them how you feel about the program. And that is all for today. Thank you very much.